Ever wondered what happens when a token you just swapped for, or received from a friend, doesn't show up in your crypto wallet? You know it's there, the transaction confirmed, but your balance just isn't reflecting it. It's like finding a treasure chest but not having the key to open it. This is a common scenario in the fast-paced world of decentralized finance, and it's often due to your wallet not automatically displaying every single token. Today, we're going to unlock that treasure chest for you, specifically for those using the Bifrost wallet. We'll show you exactly how to manually add coins or custom tokens, ensuring your Bifrost wallet always gives you a complete and accurate picture of your crypto holdings. This isn't just about seeing your balance, it's about having full control and visibility over all your digital assets. So, let's dive in and make sure no coin ever goes missing in your Bifrost wallet again. The Bifrost wallet is a powerful non-custodial wallet that supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies across multiple blockchains, including popular ones like Flare, Songbird, Ethereum, XRP, Polygon, and many more. While it automatically detects many well-known assets, newer tokens, or those with less trading volume, might need a little nudge to appear. This is where manually adding them comes in. The process is surprisingly straightforward. First, you'll need the contract address of the token you wish to add. Think of the contract address as the unique identifier for that specific token on its respective blockchain. You can usually find this on reliable crypto data sites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, or on the official website of the token project. Always double-check that you're getting the correct contract address for the right network. A small error here can lead to big headaches. For example, an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network will have a different contract address than the same token bridged to, say, the Polygon network. Accuracy is key. Once you have that crucial contract address copied, open your Bifrost wallet application. You'll typically navigate to a section that allows you to manage or add assets. In Bifrost, you're looking for the Receive section. Within Receive, you should see an option to search for the token or add custom token. Tap on that. Now, you'll be prompted to paste the contract address you copied earlier. The Bifrost wallet is quite smart. Often, after you paste the contract address, it will automatically populate the other necessary details like the token name, symbol, e.g., ETH, BTC, USDT, and the number of decimals. If it doesn't, you might need to manually input these details, which you can also find alongside the contract address on the crypto data sites. After reviewing all the token details to ensure they are correct and match the token you intend to add, simply tap on the Add or Import button. Voila! The token should now appear in your Bifrost wallet's asset list, and you'll be able to see your balance for that specific cryptocurrency. It's important to remember that adding a custom token doesn't create the token in your wallet. It merely tells your wallet to display the existing tokens that are already associated with your wallet address on that particular blockchain. So, if you've sent tokens to your Bifrost address but they're not showing, manually adding them will make them visible. This process is about enhancing your wallet's display capabilities, not about generating new assets. In essence, manually adding coins to your Bifrost wallet empowers you with complete oversight of your crypto portfolio. It's a simple skill that can save you a lot of worry and ensure you're always fully aware of your digital wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.